Most expected 2 marks questions in the coming up exam. So differentiate between aerobic and anaerobic respiration. Aerobic takes place in the presence of oxygen, anaerobic in the absence of oxygen. Aerobic, more energy is produced, anaerobic, less energy is produced, and there is complete breakdown of glucose in aerobic. There is incomplete breakdown of glucose in anaerobic with release of ethanol, lactic acid, and also carbon dioxide. Okay. And so less energy is produced in anaerobic, more energy is produced in aerobic. Next, coming to what is double circuit circulation. Circulation of blood through the heart twice in one complete cycle is double circuit circulation. Why it is necessary in humans? Because to separate the oxygenated and deoxygenated blood and also for efficient supply of oxygen. Explain how glucose is broken down in the absence of oxygen. This you can write the same points as we have discussed for anaerobic respiration. And the next is write two differences between pollination and fertilization. Pollination is transfer of pollen from the anther to the stigma. Fertilization is fusion of gametes. Pollination takes place before fertilization. Fertilization takes place after pollination. Pollination will take place outside the ovule. Fertilization will take place inside the ovule. So functions of adrenaline hormone. So adrenaline hormone increases the heartbeat. Okay, it increases the breathing rate. It increases the sugar level. It is the fight and flight hormone. Okay. Next you have is a defined reflex action with an example. Sudden spontaneous action without the involvement of brain. Example is removing your hand when you touch a hot plate. Next, what is trophic level? Each energy level in the food chain is called trophic level. The first three trophic levels are producer, primary consumer and secondary consumer. Why do plants do not have lungs? Okay. For respiration, plants do not have so much of oxygen requirement like that of the animals. They have stomata and lenticels which will be providing oxygen for all the parts of the plant, and that is sufficient. So that's why they will not have lungs. Write two functions of plant hormones. Plant hormones help in growth and development. Also, they help in flowering and fruiting. Next, what is monohybrid cross? Cross between parents which differ in single character is monohybrid cross. Here you can give the Punnett square, taking the tall plant and the dwarf plant, make the cross and show the genotypic and the phenotypic ratios.